How should you categorize your documents? To the average user, the answer is folders and document titles. But what if you want more than the average user? Tags are keywords attached to Word documents. They don't show up anywhere inside the document because they are stored in the metadata. If the system that stores the documents supports tags, then the tags can be used for searching, sorting, and filtering. To get started, go to File and click Info. On the right side, look for the Tags field. To add a tag, click inside the field and start typing. To add multiple tags, you need to divide them with a semicolon. Other characters like commas won't work. Once you're done, click outside the field to cancel typing. To save the tags, you have to save the document by clicking Save on the left pane. You can also add tags when saving the document. Go to Save As and click More Options. On the bottom, you will see the same Tags field as before. The same semicolon technique applies here as well. Once done, click Save. The third method to add tags is directly from the Windows Explorer. Save and close your document, then locate it in the File Explorer. Right-click it and select Properties. In this window, go to Details and find the Tags line. Add the tags just as before. Once done, click Apply, then OK. If we take a look at the Tags field within Word, we can see that the tags we added in the Explorer are present here as well. And finally, just as a quick tip, to display the tags in the Explorer, right-click anywhere in the Item Details section and click the Tags button. Now all document tags are visible. Still fixing formatting instead of writing? Styles, references, tables, manual fixes slow everything down. Until now, meet OnStyle. OnStyle automatically identifies and corrects issues in Word documents. And when creating new documents, it helps by applying standard styles and formatting rules. Imagine fixing all your issues related to cross-referencing, linking, instructional or hidden text, heading numbering, table formatting, and so much more with just a few clicks. Try OnStyle for free now.